the Unbrush versus the Nature Spell. Let's see. Wow. Goes right through my curly locks. Trust me, I can never brush my hair with a normal brush. That went through easy. Now the Detangler brush. A little resistance, but not much. Wow. Wow, it really gets to the scalp. There you go. I think I like this one better. But this does work too. They work very nicely. But this one gets to the scalp. They're both very nice. But like I said, this one just gets right to the scalp. My hair is super thick. So they both feel really good, but for me, it's this one. This one. I like that one so much better. Thanks for watching.